Hello, it's Nicola here from A Handcrafted Business. I'm excited. I've got a new parcel to open. So I saw a necklace from Oink Design that I simply couldn't resist the other day. And now it's come in the post. I thought I'd do the opening on camera so you can see and we can talk about packaging and lots of good, gorgeous stuff. So it's really well sealed. I've actually already tried lifting up the sellotape just to try and speed up the process a little bit. So it's really well sealed and safe. It's in a gorgeous little box, actually. It's just a really cute little box. Oh, nice little label and sticker on the front saying thank you. Can we see that? So it says handmade with love, especially for you, which is super cute and really nice and is always good because it makes you feel quite nice. I'm actually not going to undo the label. I'm going to slip it out. It's like a little sleeve. Ooh. And then we have another sticker, which is on the product of Oink Design, which is lovely. We then have a cute little card so we can see and remember exactly who we've purchased it from. We then have another card which looks the same but actually has all the instructions on the back of how to care for your jewellery, which is lovely and a really, really nice touch. We then have share and tag a photo with Oink Design and get 10% off your next purchase. So that's fantastic because it's encouraging the user-generated content. So I might have to stick the hashtag on this video, see if that counts. And then, of course, we have the invoice. And you can see that I actually ordered from Foxy. So that's really nice, but let's get to the fun stuff. So it's lovely when you get a package and you open it up and you have that excitement and it feels like Christmas and you get to go through and see what else you've got. And I especially love the touch of encouraging your customers to get involved and do something, and then there's a win-win for them and the instructions as well. So that's fantastic. So little gorgeous pink on branding tissue paper. So let's open it up. And then inside we have, it's only a tiny little necklace. I knew it was only a tiny little necklace, but look, we also then have a little bag inside. The touches, the little details, they all add up and it really makes it feel rather special, which is really nice. And then we get this gorgeous, if I can show you, gorgeous little heart. I'm trying to hold it to stop it spinning, but you're just seeing my finger. How beautiful. Oops. See if I can get you in focus. Put you over there, maybe. No? Let's see. Do that horrible thing of putting your hand in front of it, but actually it works. That's why people do it. So there you go. Isn't it beautiful? Just, can you see the marks on it from where it's been hand stamped to get it into its shape? Stunning, absolutely stunning. I'm looking forward to wearing that. I'm going to put that on very, very soon. In fact, you might see it in future videos. Keep an eye open. So whenever you're sorting the packaging for your products, really pay attention. In fact, almost post one to yourself and open it and see how it feels, because that was a joy to open. It was lovely. It really felt like Christmas. It felt like being a child again. And because it's that treat for me, it really was amazing. And actually a really nice part is that it was a really nice way to give it as a gift as well. If it hadn't been, I just treated myself. So hopefully that's inspired you for how you can think about packaging up your wonderful handmade products to give your customer a real full experience. Okay, I'm off to put my necklace on. I'll speak to you soon.